Hi everyone, Marco here. Welcome back. Today, we are starting a brand new story for English beginners, focusing on the evening. You will hear and practice 9 essential phrases to describe what you do before bed, perfect for A1/A2 English. Remember to stay until the end. I will give you a simple speaking exercise so you can use these new phrases immediately. Let's start. After a long day, I always start my evening routine at 8 p.m. The first thing I do is cook dinner. I usually prepare something simple, like chicken and rice or a big salad. I like to eat around 8:30. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I put the plates and cups away so the kitchen is clean for the morning. This is very important to me. Around 9:30, I watch TV. I usually watch a documentary or a sports game. Sometimes I read a book instead. It helps me relax my mind. I also check my phone one last time for important messages or news, but only for a few minutes. I try not to look at the screen too late. Then, I make sure everything is ready for the next day. I set my alarm for 7 a.m., just like always. I check my calendar to see what I have to do tomorrow. I take a moment to lay out my clothes for the morning so I don't waste time when I wake up. Around 10:30, I go to the bathroom. I take a shower. The warm water is very relaxing before bed. I use a special soap that smells like lavender. After that, I go to my bedroom. I open the window a little bit to let in some fresh air. I turn off the lights and get into bed. Finally, I fall asleep quickly, usually before 11 p.m. My night routine is simple and calm. It prepares my body and my mind for a new day. Perfect! You just heard 9 key phrases for your evening. Now, let's practice them. Listen and repeat after me. I cook dinner. I wash the dishes. I watch TV. I check my phone. I set my alarm. I lay out my clothes. I take a shower. I turn off the lights. I fall asleep quickly. Great job practicing. Now, here's a quick and simple task for you. What is one thing you always do before you go to bed? Write one short sentence in English in the comments below, using a phrase from this lesson or another simple action. Example: I read a book, or I turn off my phone. If you want more easy English lessons, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.